getting so shy that I can say a word. And that's gonna hurt when you find someone else. 'Cause I don't have what it takes to be your man, to take your hand, take you far away, maybe just for the day. What else could I do to show I love you? 'Cause I know the song ain't gonna last that long. But do you know what you give beside a life for living? You're the one in the crowd that I want to make proud. Just some respect when I'm up next. So would you take my hand if I ask you to dance? When nothing else matters, we write the chapters to start to a story, so you don't need to worry. This is a tribute to you. So do you know what to do? All the love from deep inside is blowing out my mind. But sadly, my friend, this will be the end. 'Cause your smile's so perfect, but I'm not sure it's worth it. Now I started thinking maybe this won't be working. We're just too different, but who knows where it'll end. Maybe it's just fine, and you will be mine, being a dream come true. If it happened to you, I will give you my life as an endless prize. Do you know